Time and space are key components to our existence, and these form the two major axes of astrology. You have the space axis, which is between the first house and the seventh house, and the time axis is between the fourth and the 10th house. Each house is connected to the house opposite it. For example, the first house is connected to the seventh, the fourth is connected to the 10th, and they always interact with each other. For example, the first house is always becoming the seventh house, and the seventh house is always becoming the first house. So if a person is influenced by other people, then other people are influenced by him. He influences his wife, and his wife influences him. In other words, they both influence and change each other. Because if you look at the charts, you see that they are both masculine houses. If you take the chart of Adam and Eve, the first house was Adam and the seventh house was Eve. So she has a Libra. Libra is under the influence of the planet Venus, and it is a good and attractive sign, but it is masculine. So you see that if the seventh house had a feminine ascendant, then she would always react to the masculine first house of Adam. But since they are both masculine, each one has its own control over their own way of life, and really neither one can change the other. Masculine signs are less influenced by other people than the feminine signs. Feminine signs are more influenced by their environment, while masculine signs are less so. So you see that each one has their own agenda, so to speak, and they have to somehow come to a balance with each other. The one is never going to get the other one to totally follow their own way, and they always have to work out something balanced. But they always go through change, and this is the interaction between the first house and the seventh house, which is constantly influencing each other. This is what is called the space axis. It is you and the other.